Louder, Brian.
Louder. Good bridge. Maybe coming right forward. Five seconds. 150 left, 2 to 3. 180 left, 5, 100. Coming 100 left, 2 to 3, 100. And now 100 narrow, right 2 over crust. Coming narrow, right 2. Now it's 260, straight, dip, 80. Coming straight dip. Now 80, straight bridge. 300, left 5, jump, 160. 160, under bridge. 180, left 5. Coming left 5. 180, keep right, 220. Coming 220, right 3 long, 100. Right 3 long. Now 100, left 4, minus tightens 2 to 3. Tightens 2 to 3 coming. Now 320, right 4 short, opens, keep out, 180.
Turn up a little bit.
Okay. 1 2 1 2 is better?
Yeah, it's better.
Okay. Here, coming, keep out, 180, coming crust. And then coming junction right. Here's 2. And then coming straight crust flat. Coming dip. Maybe water, then 80 crust flat. And now 100 from left junction right 3. Coming 200 straight. Coming 280 right 4 long. Right 4 long here. Now 800 left 5 very long.
Brian?
Yeah.
There is also no differential lock, isn't it?
It's open differential.
No differential.
No differential.
Okay.
You can tell right away.
Yep.
Coming left 5 very long. Now coming 200 right 5 150. Now 150 over crust, caution, dip.
Doesn't take throttle.
Here, switch, switch, switch. Up and down, up. 130 over crust, right 4, coming 80 left 4 long here.
Red light.
No, 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 no. Straight. Coming 280, junction right 2 and left 2 sand. So it is not fixed, fuck. Left 2 sand coming. 60 left 4. Coming 60 over crust, left 4 short, no cut, right 3. 80 right 4 over crust, minus in junction straight, left 3 maybe. Coming over crust, right 2 caution, left 2 tight. Coming 20, left 2 tight. Here's right 2. Out of notes, out of notes. Right 2 maybe. Maybe left 2 tight.
Left 2 mud.
Left 2 mud.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Minus opens, coming 174, coming up here is a junction right 2. coming junction right 2, 30 right 4 short and left 2 to 3. Now 50 caution right 4 short in junction left 2. Coming here left 2. 50 right 3 to 4 long, narrow rocks, camber and left 3 short. Narrow, narrow, maybe camber. Should be a left 4 short coming somewhere. Here. Now maybe 100 right 3 to 4 narrow rocks, maybe. In the left 3 to 4. 50K right 2 over crest. Now 30 caution right 3 narrow rocks in left 2 to 3. Here's left 2 to 3. Then coming left 5 and right 4. And right 4. 30 over crest straight. 50 at post. Right 3 narrow gate. Right 3 narrow gate here. Now 30 left 3 to 4 short. 50. Coming 50 junction left 2. Easy, easy. Don't have to reverse. Coming 30 right 2 tight in left 3. Coming in left 3. Now 60 crest straight. Be easy, Armin. Long race. Long race. Here's right 2 in left 3. Maybe a bit kinky now. A bit kinky. A bit kinky. Kinky, kinky, kinky. Maybe coming right 4. Okay, good. Go. Now coming maybe tight. And left 2 maybe, not sure, tight. Waiting for no, waiting for no. Coming right 2 to 3. Right 2 to 3. Now 60, caution left 2 tight. Then immediate crest minus right 2 to 3, narrow short. In left 3. This is coming here in right 4 maybe. Right 4 with crest. Then maybe 6. Coming left 4. 80 junction right 2 to 3. Now 80 junction left 4 minus left lane, stay right slow. And then left 2, right 2. Now 60 left 4 minus 2, maybe bump. Maybe bump. 80 right 2 narrow, 50. Then coming 50 junction left 4 short. In right 3 to 4. Left 3 to 4. Coming rock. Junction right 3 opens 4 long over crest and left 4 cut. And the cut is cut straight, right 3. Now 50 left 3, 180. 180 crest straight, keep left, maybe bump. Maybe bump coming. 120 crest straight, 100. 150 left 2 to 3. Volume still good. 180 left 3. 100 left 2 to 3. 100 narrow right 2 to 3 over crest, keep in. 300 straight dip. And then possibly coming bridge, water maybe. We'll see.
A little bit louder, Brian.
Louder?
Yeah.
Coming jump. And then after this is going to be the water. 100 under bridge, maybe water. Where is it? Nope. 180 left 5 narrow, keep right exit. I don't see it yet. 100, here it comes. 100, keep right.
Give me a wrap.
Hold on to it, or you want me to give it back?
No, that's okay.
Okay. So here's your right, 3 long, keep in it. Well, not so much. 100 left, 4 minus tightens 2. 300 right 4 short opens. God.
No. Sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. Just try to keep it down. And 180 left 4 minus tightens 2 on crust. Minus tightens 2 on crust. Wet tires, wet tires. 170 crust flat. 250 dip minus water. 80 crust flat, and then 100 from left, junction right 3. And we don't need to give up to the rev limiter as much.
Yeah.
The power's made just under that.
Yeah.
Perfect. 200 straight. Then coming 280 right 4 long. Cameron Steele is already off.
Yep.
So just like this, nice and smooth. Great job.
Yep.
800 left 5, very long. Long. Then 200 right 5. And 150 over crest, caution dip. Now 140 over crest, right 4 short. 80 left 4 long. And then 280 junction straight. And 200 crest straight. And then 150 over Kings Junction right 3 to 4 narrow. Right 3 to 4 narrow.
Sniffer him, Brian.
Okay. We'll just have to pick. We'll have to pick it back up.
You have a right 4 over crest, narrow, and left 3 to 4, right 3 short.
Right 3 short. Keep calling
left
it.
3 to 4 long.
Left 3 to 4 long. I don't see that.
The narrow over crest, right 4. Long crest getting narrow.
Long crest getting narrow. Where should be silt? Should be in here somewhere.
Yep.
Here's silt. Okay, so it should be silt minus tightens 3 short coming. And now 80 right 3 minus 20 left 2 to 3 short. Coming left 2 to 3 short. 120 right 4 minus tightens 3. And 30 left 3 narrow. Then 50 right 3 short over crest. And 40 left 4 short over crest and right 3. And left 4 short. And
Hold
right
on,
3.
hold on, hold on.
That's just right 3 over crest.
Yeah, left 4
short. And then 30 left 3 over crest. And right 4 over crest. Yeah, we're good. 350, junction right 2 tight and no cut, left 2. Right 2 tight and no cut, left 2.